Mbunge ya kati niyavitukithya mutalatala wa kinandu wa mwaka wa 2026 2027 ayumbe mayendekethya imwe ya mithia kwikwa mawalyuku ona itina wa uneenania muvyu kukusiiwa amwe Ambunge kuma ngaliko ulei ni mawoneka kuleana na mutalatala indi makilwa vinya ni Ambunge alame okwatamba serikali na vala mavitukithya mutalatala kwa Kukunia Kula mithia yonde ya otondo mwandiki witu wa muvyu mwaka amwe ukolivoti ni kana Ambunge ulei ni mawetakana kuvitukithya kwa mutalatala ni kuendea kumukwithya mwenende muyiyo muito wa koti.
Another opinion say aye. Will last one say nay. The ayes have it.
Mutalatala wa kinandu wa mwaka wa 2026 ni wona cheni cha muthenya Mbunge ni Nene itina wa Mbunge kuvitukithya mutalatala kwa Kukunia Kula kila muthia wa mutalatala ndini wa kikalo cha Mbunge sukila cha trewa muthinani wa umundi.
These are some of the matters that were raised by the members of the public. Because what this clause was doing, by changing the definition of the word person under the VAT Act, it would have created unnecessary responsibility and obligation for even small traders to be required to account for VAT. And therefore, this is some of the issues that we agreed with the members of the public. We disagreed with National Treasury, and therefore we propose its deletion.
Clause 25.
Members, I propose the question that clause 25 be part of the bill. Because there are no amendments, I put the question that clause 25 be part of the bill. As one of that opinion say aye. As one of that opinion say nay. Ayes have it.
Ambunge ngaliko ya ulei mayungamana ivindi ya mwongo kuleana na mutalatala usu ni makilwa vinya ni alame ukwatamba usilikali na vala mawetakana mutalatala uende na kuongela uito wa ngalama ya mikalile muno kwa mwenendi wa ukwati munini.
The assertion that this finance bill, including the clause in question, is relieving Kenyans from taxes is untrue. Kenyans are going to be subjected to a tax to raise revenue up to 1 trillion Kenya shillings.
Thank you.
That the reason we are rejecting, actually we want to reject this finance bill in totality. Clause by clause, it should be withdrawn, none should go through, and that's why we are going to be voting no for every clause. Because, like I said before, it's a bad bill, they published it. When they realize now they are busy cleaning it up, we will Kenyans can see they are to clean up. We will reject in total. We don't need to raise this, extra money through these punitive taxes that are being proposed.
A relief on my mortgage, you get a relief. You do not want the villager in your village.
Thank you.
Don't get a relief. Why would you be that unfair to people? Why?
Thank you.
Why would you be that unfair?
Thank you.
Why, Wandeto?
That's okay.
Let us accept when the government is doing a good job. Let us own it, Mr. Speaker. Never just oppose for the sake of opposing, like what I'm seeing from this village of Ambunge.
Ayumbe ya ulei ni maendea na weta kana mutalatala ndwina mausungio amwe mathina ala maendea na uvinyi ya NND itakwambata kwa matho wa mauta.
Nataka niambie Kimani Ichung'wah, yeye si rais wa Kenya. He behaves like a small president of the Republic of Kenya. Kila kitu ni sisi kutishwa na yeye. Wabunge hatutakubali kudanganya, because hii document ikipitishwa, mtu mwenye anaenda kuumia wa kwanza ni ule mtu ambaye anavaa nguo za mtumba ambao ni wengi.
We expected the finance bill will deal with things to do with the high cost of fuel. There is nothing in this to do with the high cost of fuel. So Kenyans, do not celebrate. Do not let down your guards. You have a country, you have a president, you have an executive, you have a political system that is all intended on making your life much, much harder every single day.
Livoti ya vilingwa movone cha mwaka mweu.